This is Plimmerton Level Crossing. There's a train coming. It's in the station. It's raining. It does. This one's also got the quiet settings, so the bells go off before, so the bells turn off before the barriers go up. So we've got Griswold signal code lights. Bells have been replaced with a Western Cullen Haze E-bell, Western Cullen Haze lights, and Griswold Barriers. So yeah, that's it. Plimmerton Level Crossing, here's our train. Off it goes. This one's on the quiet setting, so the bells stop before the barriers go up. We've got a Western Cullen Haze E-bell, Griswold signal code lights and Griswold Barriers, and Montrose of Penrose LED lights and Western Cullen Haze lights. So yeah, that's it. We're here again at Plimmerton. There's another train coming. I wonder what that thing is inside the bell flashing. Look at these lights, these old lamp style Western Cullen Haze lights. Which way is it coming from? Oh, it must be in the station. Yup, here it comes. And off it goes. So, yeah, that's it.